Hey y'all, it's Briuana back with another video. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you're a returner, thanks for coming again. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to apply magnetic eyelashes. I'm one of those people who weren't really blessed with eyelashes, as you can see. I don't really have none. I also really just don't know how to apply the regular eyelashes with eyelash glue. I'm just not coordinated enough, so yeah. So I came across these, the ones I'm using today. They're this brand right here. The brand is Asavea. I hope I'm saying it right. It's Asavea. And so it's the magnetic eyeliner eyelash kit. And I've had this for a few months now. I think I got it in May, but I don't really wear makeup a lot and I don't wear eyelashes a lot either. But I've been wearing these maybe like once or twice a month. So they're not exactly fresh, but they're still pretty good. And in the box, they come with 3 sets of lashes. This one, like a thinner pair, and this one right here, it's like something in between. And then this one is a little bit thicker. And they also come with this lash applicator and the glue, which is what allows it to stick. So each lash has, I think it's 4 magnets on each lash. Actually, it's 5, sorry. There's 5 magnets on each lash and they bond with the eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the eyeliner and I'm gonna show you what the lashes look like on it. And I'm also gonna show you how easy they are to apply because they literally apply in seconds and they're so easy to remove, which I really like because one of my concerns about initially having eyelash extensions were that they were gonna pull out the little eyelashes that I do have. And this right here is safe and easy. Like, you can do it real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the eyeliner and I'll be back. And after you have the eyeliner applied, you want to let it sit on your face for maybe like 1 or 2 minutes to allow it to really dry. And if you don't allow the eyeliner to dry all the way, sometimes they might have problems sticking. So make sure you give yourself 1 or 2 minutes. And you can kind of feel when it dries, and it'll also look, that's also nice. It'll also look like it's dry when it's ready to. You also don't have to put it as thick as I did. You know, I'm not really a makeup expert, so I be struggling sometimes. But, you know, I just let it happen however it happens. And I'm going to leave it because I'm not going to change it. So, yeah, like you let it dry for a minute and then you're going to apply the lashes, whichever one you want to apply. Lately, I've been going with this one right here. But I also really like the way these look, too. And these, they're pretty short if you're not really sure you want to, like, have no big lashes on your face and you want something that's gonna look even more just like your real lashes, you might want to go with these. And whenever your liner is dry, you just grab whatever lash you want to apply and you just get ready to apply. And they snap right on. I also just run my finger along it just to make sure the magnet is actually secured to the liner. Because sometimes if you don't let it dry all the way, it won't be as secure. And I don't think I let it dry all the way because I got a little bit on my finger. You take your second one and do the same thing you did with the first one. And there you go. I feel like this one is a little bit... Okay, there we go. So this is the first pair. Let me know how y'all like this one. So, and just as easy as you put them on, you also can remove them. I feel like I didn't have them all the way on right because I feel like one was higher than the other one. And before you apply the second pair, if you decide you don't want to wear that pair, you might want to put some more liner on. But if you don't, it's also not a problem because sometimes you'll notice little spaces in there. Common sense tell you that it's not going to stick. You might want to apply some more, but it's not always necessary. So here is the second pair that I'm going to be showing y'all. And just like the first one, it goes on just as easy. And then we'll go ahead and get the second lash. Making sure they all stuck. There you go. Like I said, super easy. They're also easy to remove. And if you're worried about how to get the liner off, all you do is just regular makeup wipes. Come straight off. And they're also not heavy on your lashes. And one of my major concerns about having magnetic lashes was that the magnets would hurt, but painless, I tell you. And you also don't have to worry about having lash glue near your lash line because you don't use that here. So you don't have to worry about ripping your lashes out like I was worried about, because like I said, I don't have lashes. So I don't want anything ripping out the little bit of lashes that I do have. And these are on Amazon. I think I got these for $15, which shows that they're the regular price of regular lashes, because you get 3 pairs for $15 and you get to reuse these as many times as you want. So definitely an investment, and it saves you a lot of time if you have like a makeup routine that you stick to every morning. So now I'm all about saving time because I usually just roll out of bed and get ready. All right, so let me know how y'all like this video, and let me know if you've tried these out before and what you think of them. And if y'all also want me to try any more things, also comment down below. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so y'all can get the notifications when I post a new video. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time.